Welcome to this tutorial on Cryon 6D. On using the compare functionality in our project management system, let's start by navigating to the document page and viewing the document list. On the left side of the screen, you'll find folder options. Select the desired folder and choose the RVT files for comparison. At the top of the screen, click on Add Compare. A pop-up screen will appear. Click Update to proceed. You'll receive a document successfully added pop-up message. Now go to the sidebar and select the Views path. Choose the Compare option and click to open the view page. The previously added files will be displayed. Click on a file to redirect to the Autodesk screen, showing the drawing. In the right corner, you'll find the Changes screen. Here, you can select options like Added, Removed, and Modified. Changes are highlighted in green for additions, red for removals, and yellow for modifications. This feature provides a specific identity for each drawing, making it easier to compare. That's how you use the Compare functionality. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tutorials.